Hi, this is Matt Bernstein, and I don't know if you saw it, but we just did a lecture on Craigslist free stuff. Now, the next step is once we've maxed out our free potential, getting free products, we are going to start paying for them. So that's going to Goodwill, that's looking at eBay bulk listings, buy 10 video games at a time, buy 10 GPSs at a time, whatever, and then sell them individually on eBay. Or we're going to do Craigslist. So preferably for me, I like to sell either toys and games or video gaming. I don't know much about antiques. I bet you can sell appliances. I don't know much about arts. I don't know much about auto parts. You get the point. Sell what you know and understand. So usually with toys and games, I like to find listings with multiple toys and games in them, not just one. Because a lot of people price to sell. I scroll through this stuff for 20 minutes a day. And it's a good way to make extra money on the side. So this is actually a listing that picked up yesterday. So I'm going to show you, because apparently there's no other good items that I can find on Craigslist right now. Few and far between, so that's why I only say this requires 20 minutes of your time. Some days you might not find anything, other days you might find a lot. Yesterday I found two things. So, new and like new toys, Lego building sets and games, $5 each. So just because I bought this listing already, it's actually right behind me right now. We can get some footage on it. Other than that, let's just check out what we got here. So, Nylon Twin Boom Wrecker Steel Tough Truck with the box. Let's eBay that right now for $5. Let's see how much it's worth. Gotta always go to sold listings. That's what matters. 1,000 other people can be selling something for above market price and nobody will buy it. So we're looking for our truck. Did I type that in right? Twin Boom Wrecker. Maybe take out the word truck. Motorcraft. The Beast. So we're looking for Motorcraft the Beast. Here we go. The Beast. New in box. Ours isn't new in box though, unfortunately. So if it was new in box 55, you bought it for $5. So it's going to be more like this, like $40. Do you want better? And we have to click off used to not get confused with this new. All right, so an easy $40 to that one. Pro Builder Air Combat. Combat. Can I spell that right? No. All right. All right, so nobody's selling it used, but someone sold it for $85. So you can probably sell it for 30, 40 bucks on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, easy. Because these items are so big, I'm actually going to try to sell them on Facebook Marketplace for local pickup. Because if I list this for 35 on eBay, then eBay and PayPal are going to take $5, so I'm left with 30. Bought this for 5, so left with 25. And then shipping it's going to cost 15 bucks, so I'm left with 10. So it's actually more worthwhile for me to list this on Facebook Marketplace for 20 bucks. Give the Facebook Marketplace family 50% off of something I'd list on eBay, and I make more money doing it. Pro Builder Battleship. So this sold 16 days ago for a combined of $38, $32, $30. So I'll probably do the same thing. Sell it on Facebook Marketplace for 20 bucks. Give them 50% off. But I bought it for 5. It's $15. Easy money. Not many people make $15 an hour. All right, Lego Soccer Championship Challenge. $94. Trending at $40 right now. So let's just call it 40 and sell it on Facebook Marketplace for 25. All right. So I have no idea about this thing. I can't even find it on eBay. Pavilion Deluxe. So a 12-in-1 brand new is 50 bucks. Gotta look at used. Gotta look at used first. If they don't have used, then do 50% off of the new listing. Rotating game board. But the Scrabble, Deluxe Turntable Scrabble, is this even, I don't think this has Scrabble. It just says playing cards, poker, dice, dominoes, cribbage, chess, backgammon. We're gonna have to Google it. Excuse me, 10-in-1, only 15 bucks, so might just give it away to Goodwill or something. All right, so this listing that I bought yesterday, 20 for the whole lot. So first item, giving it away to Goodwill. Second item, going to sell on eBay for $40, or I think the smarter way, sell it on Facebook Marketplace for 25. So we made back the money already if we can sell it. So you got 25. Gonna sell this for 25, so 50. Gonna sell this for 25, so 75. And same thing with the Legos, 25 each. Because everything was selling on eBay for $40+. So we'll give them 40% off of that market price. Collect all the cash. Don't have to sell eBay, PayPal fees. Don't have to worry about shipping it out, paying for the boxes, paying FedEx or UPS to ship out these big boxes. So we're going to go home with $100 cash minus 20, so $80 in profits, hopefully, from this deal. If it's not 80, then maybe it's $50 profit, maybe it's $40 profit. And I was in the area anyways, going to the Home Goods in Vernon, and met the guy there and did the transaction there. So that's just using your time. Using your time well. I try to do this as I'm searching right now. I'm teaching you about how to do this. I'm bookmarking things. I'm looking for my own benefit, doing research. So at the same time that I'm creating content, I'm just documenting content, really, because I'm doing it right now. I'm bookmarking everything. I'm reaching out to people after this video. Gonna pick it up later today, all the stuff that we learned in the previous video about getting the free hex aquarium, getting the Allen organ, getting the reclining wheelchair, using my resources for that stuff. If I was going to take it a step further, if I didn't have to take pictures while we were doing this, I could take pictures and then show you how to list it itself. But I'll end up creating another lecture about how I precisely list all of these items that I'm showing you right now on Facebook Marketplace, on eBay. So I'm doing two things at once. I'm making money two ways. I'm happy. I'm doing the things that I'm passionate about. I love flipping stuff. I love arbitrage. I love making money online. I love figuring out creative ways to help people to make money. And you just got one life. You got to live it. 99% of people don't know what your life is, so go after what you want to go after, because no matter what you do, people are going to judge you. So don't prevent that from doing what you want to do and what you love in a responsible way. Thank you so much for listening. Thanks for your attention. Please feel free to tune back in. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Udemy. I'm on Quora. I'm on Skillhance. I'm on 10 other different websites. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day.